गोवा के बागाटोर इलाके में मंगलवार को जिला प्रशासन ने बड़ी कार्रवाई करते हुए रोमियो लेन रेस्टोरेंट का एक हिस्सा ध्वस्त कर दिया। यह कार्रवाई अवैध कब्जे और बीच क्षेत्र में किए गए निर्माण को हटाने के तहत की गई है। प्रशासन के अनुसार गिराया गया हिस्सा करीब 198 स्क्वायर मीटर में फैला हुआ था। तोड़फोड़ से पहले गोवा टूरिज्म विभाग के डिप्टी डायरेक्टर धीरज वागले ने साफ कहा था कि बीच की ओर किए गए सभी कब्जों को हटाया जाएगा और किसी को भी नियमों से ऊपर नहीं माना जाएगा। कार्रवाई के दौरान मौके पर भारी पुलिस बल और प्रशासनिक अधिकारी मौजूद रहे ताकि कानून व्यवस्था बनी रहे।
टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट हमेशा सीरियस है टू सी दैट वी promote tourism in the right manner for domestic and international destinations, and we ensure that enforcements are done in the areas which are our areas, and we also need to ensure a peaceful, good stay for tourists, for the hotels and wherever they go. What has happened is a very tragic episode. This particular episode which happened was at Birch by Romeo Lane, which does not come under the purview of the tourism department in terms of registrations. So what has happened there, although it doesn't come, the tourists were affected, a wrong message towards tourism has gone out. And I think it's time to understand, we have to learn and ensure that as we are supporting and talking about the families who have lost people from their families in this particular incident, it is very important for due correction that the government needs to do. I've shared my thought with our Honorable Chief Minister, and we need to ensure that investigation to be done in this whole episode from the down to the top. Everybody who was there, who is to be made accountable, and action needs to be initiated. Some heads need to roll. At the same time, this Birch by Romeo Lane was a different issue, and the Romeo Lane, the Birch by Romeo Lane is at Arpara, part of North Goa, Kalangut, and the Romeo Lane which we have demolished to the illegality is in Vagator, in Sioli. So there are two different constituencies, two different parts. Romeo Lane is the same name. So some people have misused that it is a part of the which part they were not knowing. So it is very clear what has happened is a different issue. At the same time, what illegalities were happening here, this has become twice. It has happened before. Tourism department had fully demolished this structure, what was illegal in terms of the department scope. After that, they have come up again in 2025. 2024 में हम लोगों ने demolition किया. 2025 में उन लोगों ने फिर से रोमियो लेन जो वागातोर में खड़ा करने का ले लिया. बारिश के कारण we couldn't demolish it. We have demolished it today and ensured that whatever is there in terms of encroachments in our tourism area is out. Illegality drives will continue, and we will ensure that whatever illegalities are there are taken to the logical end.
अपने फ्रेम अच्छे सब नीचे से क्या ले रहे हैं